Alright, welcome guys. So today I'm very excited to show you the new strategy how to make money online using affiliate marketing. And that strategy actually doesn't require you to have your own website. Simply said, we will use already made blog articles and we will piggyback right on those and we will show our offer. We want to go to Clickbank. So if you log into Clickbank, you will end up here. And what we want to do is to go to Marketplace. And Marketplace is here. Okay, so first we want to find out what we are passionate about or what we want to promote. You know, there's like 4 different niches that are most profitable. Health niche, relationships, money niche, and software. Let's say I want to choose a health niche, and I know that now it's very popular keto diet, and we can also double check it in Google Trends. What if we choose weight loss? Now we can see that it's increasing, 61 points, 63 points, so it's actually above average and it's all the time in demand. So let's say we can find some products to promote in health niche, like weight loss, exercises or something like that. So let's go to Clickbank and let's find those products. So let's say, okay, health and fitness, diets and weight loss, right? And now what I would do, I would sort results by gravity, because what gravity means is it's how well and how hot the product is, because if gravity is huge, like big, people are buying that product already. Oh, look, custom keto diet. So we can actually promote that. What happens if we click on this one? So we have this funnel page where people, you know, could get their own custom keto diet, and later they would buy a product from there maybe. And if they get to this page through you, if you refer to this page, you get commissions. So let's say, okay, we choose this one. We click on promote. Account nickname, mine is Jazoo, and we click on generate hop links. Now, okay, we have this hop link. So what this means, if people use this link and buys a product, it tracks this link helps to track that it's us who referred to people the product, right? And we get commissions. So this is very important. Now, okay, let's just minimize that window. What else we will do? We will find on Google search, let's say keto diet, right? And we just find the first or the second one page. Let's say this one. So we see this is a nice article about ketogenic diet and stuff like that, yada yada yada. So okay, we have this one. The next thing, the next critical thing, what we do is we go to snip.li. So let me show you. Here. So what this does, I will show you. Just bear with me. I haven't signed up yet, so it's free to use, but until 1000 clicks. Okay, so now we are here on the dashboard and we click on create my first snip. Here we can upload our avatar picture. Let's say, okay, I have some pictures that I use. I will write maybe just Justin, and I click on continue, and we can write our message. So let's say, okay, we want to have a simple message that is congruent with our offer. So we can say, okay, get your custom keto diet. So we just write the same. Get your custom keto diet. And click here, it's okay. And button URL. Here we post our Clickbank hop link. Remember that we got from here, so we just use that, copy and paste. Very important. Now we click continue, and here page URL, we post the page that we used. Yeah, this page, a weight loss page. Now I click this one, copy and paste. Now we click continue. And voila, you just made a snip. We just made a snip. And what it is, we use this link. We can actually copy that link in our Chrome URL, and this link will open the same page, but it will also have this widget all the way, so people will read it and they will see, oh, I can get a custom keto diet. Okay, if I click here, it will go straight to that offer that we used, that we put our hop link in Clickbank. So now it's tracked, and here you can also see that it used my nickname in the URL, so it knows that we referred to this traffic to this page, and if people start buying, we will get commissions. So awesome. So we just made this snip. Where is it? Okay. So now, okay, what's next? Now we need traffic. Now we need to show this to people and to show it what to do next. So next we need traffic, right? There's tons of different types of traffic. We can have paid traffic like Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever, just ads. And of course I'm not recommending you, it's not worth it to spend money on ads. We will use free traffic. And what is free traffic? We create content. You can create articles, blogs. You can create YouTube videos about keto diet. You can create TikTok videos about keto diet, which will all refer to that snip URL, right? But what we can do next, we can go to, let's say, Facebook, right? We can go to Facebook groups, which is about keto diet. Let's say we go here, groups, search keto diet. And we go to groups, and you see we have keto diet for beginners, a group which has 275,000 members. another group 280,000 members, so many groups. And you just go and apply, and once you are approved, you can write a post. Let's see, I just go to my group, and what you would write, something. Hey guys, I just found a valuable article about keto diet. I think you will be interested in reading this, stuff like that. And you just, what you do, you paste your snip right here, and we wait until, yeah. So you see it loads all the article with thumbnail, it looks very nice, professional, and then you just post. So people, okay, who will be interested, we will come to this article, we will read it, and maybe we will push that button, maybe we will buy that product. So there's one thing. And this is like active free traffic strategy. You go out to reach out to people, post, you engage in those groups, but just don't go and just post randomly. One thing to remember is that Facebook algorithm is not stupid. And one tip is you go and engage with people in those groups for 15 minutes just to warm up the algorithm, and then post your content. So more people will see that, right? If you find this video valuable and you learned something new, please subscribe to my channel and please click that like button. It would help me so much because I'm just getting started. I'm very nervous. It's so new to me. So yes, follow me. Thank you.